I am doing dropshipping since 2018, and in this video I am going to share few apps which I have used to scale my business because most of them build trust on your customers and encourage them to make a purchase. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so our first app is Shopify product review app, and according to recent stats, 93% of customers will check reviews before making a purchase, and 58% of them will be ready to pay more if your product has great reviews. Now, this app uses smart AI approval to publish reviews automatically on your website, and it will also share your reviews across all social media pages, and it will also send review requests to new customers as well. And this app will boost your conversion rate, and you can also ask your customers for photo reviews, and in return you can send them discount codes. And there are also plenty of symbol options to choose from to display on your product page. Let's have a look on my recent store and you will get an idea how this app can be helpful for your business. So as you can see, I have generated over $2,000 in sales and I have collected plenty of reviews using this app. Now coming to our second app, which is a volume discount app, and again according to stats, 91% of customers look for discount before making a purchase. And most of them also sign up for emails to receive discount offers. Now this app can be used to offer multiple discount types, and you can create different discounts for different customers, and you can also activate and deactivate whenever you like. And you can also offer country-wise discount as well, and you can also select different collection if you want to be discounted. And this app will help you to boost your sales, and I highly recommend to use this app. Now coming to our third app, which is product options app, and this app is best if you want to offer your customers monogram or gift packaging. And this app will help you to charge extra for offering all of these services. So this app is fully compatible with Buy Now and Shop Pay. And also this app has multiple features, and one of them is inventory management system, which will help you to keep an eye on your incoming and out of stock items. And by using this app, you can also offer different options to your customer on product pages as well. Let me tell you a few of these. For example, you can use a character option in this app and it will work best for those sellers who provide customization to their customers. And by using this option, you can choose how many characters you allow for a specific design, like in the form of text. And this app also allows you to choose the color of your options, which will map according to your website theme. You can also implement different rules based on previous customer selection. For example, if your customer choose a customization option for any shirt or any product, you can then enable the logo or any other image uploading option for your customer. And after that, by using the one-time charge feature, you can also charge separate for that logo. And this can be a one-time charge regardless of how many shirts or design customer is going to order. And this app also offers a feature to charge extra for gift packaging or engravings. Once your customer has selected different options, they can also edit those in cart as well. So this app has a lot of features, which is best for any store owner who want to grow their business. And by using this app, merchants have generated over $6 billion revenue so far. Okay, so fourth app on my list is Order Status Tracker, and majority of our customer support questions belongs to order delivery, especially if you are dropshipping. And this app offers almost 1100 carrier options, which include FedEx, UPS, DHL, and many more. And you can also promote different image on your order status page, like if you want to offer any promotions or discount, you can also offer them on delivery page. And by doing this, you can increase your returning customer rate because customers who are coming to this page for delivery, they have already made a purchase. And if you offer any discounts or promotions on this page, you will have an increase in returning customer rate. You can see there are major brands which are using this app to send delivery updates to their customers. Okay, so fifth app on my list is Form Builder app. And this is the best app to create different forms, like if you are going to offer wholesale or if you would like to ask different product questions like sale inquiry or any surveys or any type of questions you want to ask from your customers, you can use this app. And this app will integrate with Google Sheets, Stripe, and other email marketing software as well. So by using this app, you can create hassle-free purchase orders and your customers will be able to make a purchase using Stripe or other payment gateways. And I have been using all of these apps on my different stores for different purposes, like to collect emails, to offer discounts, and for forms, product reviews, and all other features. And majority of these apps offer you multiple features in a single app. Okay, so last app on my list is Shopify Mobile Builder app, and this app will help you to launch your own app on Apple or Google Store. And according to recent stats, more customers use apps when they are going to buy something online. And if you have an app, you can engage your customers by sending them notification directly on their mobile screen through app. And once customer has downloaded the app, they can sign in using their social media account. And this app also offers one page checkout, which will increase your conversion rate. And through your app, you will be able to send card recovery alerts to recover the sales. So all of these apps are on discounted price for a limited time for only $150 per month. And this $150 per month price is for all of the apps if you are going to install on your store. Mobile Builder app, which I mentioned on the last, is an expensive app, but if you are going to install with all of them, you will get it for only $50. And you will be able to use pro version of this app in this price. And if you are not willing to install Mobile Builder app, you can get these apps, and there are other few with them. You can also check the link in description I am going to mention, and you can get them for only $100 per month. More videos are coming soon related to make money online and e-commerce. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel to get notified, and I will see you in my next video.